Hello everyone. I got me a receiver. It's a mini microphone, and this is good whenever I want to take some videos outside. So that way it will reduce the sound of the wind and the loud noise and the loud music, noise like people talking loud. That will reduce it. I have to test this outside to see what it sounds like later on. Not tonight, it's late. But anyway, what else? I'm gonna sing a song to see what it sounds like with the reverb on. So I turned the reverb on. I don't know yet how to use it with the music background. I'm not sure how. Maybe I need to use the speaker, and then the song I'm gonna sing is gonna come out through the speaker. I'm not sure. But anyway, let's go try this one. This is without the background music, and I put this on reverb only. It's called Tokso. So medyo malat ako. Malat na naman si MJ Palma dahil sa pagmumura sa akin ng todo ni Bentong Hika Bilat. So dahil gusto niya akong lumabas, so I did. Lumabas ako. I paid him back because he wanted to hear me yung voice ko na magmura pabalik. So I gave him back what he wanted. Anyway, let's just move on. So, tokso, you guys. Without music, okay, na background music. So, what it sounds like. Tapat ang puso ko at ito'y hindi magbabago. Pagkat pag-ibig ko ay tanging para sa'yo. Huwag sanang nangyari, matukso ako ng sandali. Pagkat ang tukso ay madaling nagwawagi. Kay rami ng winasak na tahanan, kay rami ng matang pinaluha, kay rami ng puso sinugatan. Tama na yan, pucha, pataas na yan, dito na lang ako. Malat na naman ako, you know why guys? Kasi diba, bumanat din ako. Pinabanat niya ako. He wanted me to come out, so I came out. He wanted me to curse back, then I cursed back more, diba? So retaliation is always on. So you guys dare me, I'll come out and I'll give you what you wanted. Diba, Bentong Hika ko ba bilat, arbitero? Takot-takot sa'yo, you know? So if you can curse at me from head to toe, and you can mistreat me, I'll do the same thing. Diba? Fire back lang yun. That's what it's called. You can do it, I do it worse than you. You curse at me so much, I will do more and more and more and more.